educators and people watching this video. For people who have always this idea as to what is a logarithmic graph or what is a trigon graph. So in today's video we're going to talk about both these things. My name is Shahrukh and welcome to the Students Alliance community once again. Just click on more, click on functions, right? Click on the graph that we were talking about, which is the exponent graph. Now here you have the equation 2 raised to x. Click on plus 6. You will get the different graph. And same with trigon, in case you want to write it as sin x minus 4. Now you see both the graphs here of exponent and a trigon. Just click on insert. Now you have both the graphs, so you can see the sine function and you can see the exponential function at the same time. Thank you.